Pardon me, do you have change for a quarter? I gotta make a phone call, thank you. Oh, I hope this woman don't take me to more changes today, because I had a hard day today, man, you know. Let me see what's happening to the hairdress before I go home. How you doing? I hope you're fine. Did your day get through changes and mess up your mind? I just called to say that I'm on my way. Oh, and I'll see you when I get there. I hope you're in the good mood. You know, a man's home is his castle, and the